In the world of off-road racing, the 4600 stock class is where legends are forged. Factory-based rigs, minimal modifications, maximum challenge. It's a battle of endurance, skill, and pure capability. And for the past 3 years, one name has dominated the competition: Ford Bronco. But in a race this brutal, past victories mean nothing. It all comes down to one day, and who has what it takes to survive.
Good morning and welcome if you're just joining us. This is the 2025 King of the Hammers powered by Ford Performance, and right now it is all about Everyman Challenge.
We're watching right now is two of our stock class Broncos. This will be Brad Lovell, and I believe that's Bailey Cole right behind him as they work through this section of terrain that we've been talking about all week.
Hey, Brad Lovell here. We had an awesome race today. The sun is just going down on an amazing day. We pushed hard. We battled it out with Bailey Cole, Vaughn Gittin, Lauren Healy through the whole way. These Broncos are amazing out here. This is the 4th win in a row for Bronco.
We're really proud of our Bronco teammates. To see us win 1, 2, 3 once again with the Broncos is a massive statement and testament to this entire Ford Performance team, the Bronco, and all the passion that everybody puts in.
And we're up here at Bronco Nation, which is an amazing community, group of people that are out here supporting us, doing trail rides. What a great place to have a Bronco Nation event and all these people experiencing exactly what Bronco is about.